The FDA says melanoma is the leading cause of cancer deaths in women aged 15 to 29 and says the use of sun lamp devices like tanning beds are a big part of the problem.
Yeah, News 2's Macy McLeod joins us in the studio with more possible changes to tanning rules for minors. We're talking younger than 17, right, Macy?
That's right, guys. An FDA rule released today is proposing a complete ban on tanning bed use for anyone under 18.
It's no different from cigarettes or alcohol. There's risk to using the tanning beds.
The Federal Drug Administration is proposing a change, banning anyone under 18 from using a tanning bed.
I feel like it's up to the parents, and if the parents are okay with it, then they should be able to tan.
And that's the way the law stands right now in South Carolina. Teens can only use tanning beds with parental consent.
We have a small percentage of under 18 that come in. It's not a huge part of our business, but even though a business, you don't want to lose anybody.
Doctors tell me sometimes teens don't understand the dangers.
There are some teens who just really weren't aware of the dangers, and others who were aware of it but kind of blew it off and decided that this is what they wanted to do. When you're at that age, you kind of think you're immortal.
The FDA already requires tanning beds to be labeled, saying the machines are not recommended for anyone under 18.
We absolutely see lots of teens and young adults who have been heavy tanners, and we see the ones with skin cancers and the ones with melanoma, and unfortunately the ones who die of melanoma.
Owners of tanning salons say the ban is pointless because teens are going to soak up the rays one way or another.
The thing with teens, they're going to do it indoors or outdoors. They're going to get exposed no matter how they do it. At least indoors, it is a controlled environment, and our biggest advocate is not to burn and to really make sure that they do it in a natural process where they build up a tan instead of getting it all at one time.
And the proposed FDA rules also require adult tanners to sign a release acknowledging the risks of using a tanning bed and re-sign that every 6 months after their first visit. There is a public comment period on these rules, and that starts on Monday. For more information about how to give the FDA your input, head online to counton2.com. Macy McLeod, News 2.